Had a maintenance question on spin bikes and what to do with the leather resistance pad that creates the friction and the resistance on the wheel. And it was making noise for the customer, and they wanted to know what to put on it. So I wasn't sure. He suggested we just use the treadmill silicone that you put on the underside of the treadmill belt. And I went ahead and did it on this one because on this Le Monde, it was a little bit noisy when you did hit the resistance or apply resistance. So we went ahead and put it on there. Super quiet. It worked great. The resistance still works, and no problem. I think it's going to be a great solution for applying that dressing on there. Thank you for that tip.